later.
Oh, this is looking nice.
What do you need?
Okay, guys. Oh Jesus! Look at my eye, like this. Let me check my phone. Let me check my phone and see if it's not phone I'm using. This is about 3:30 a.m. I left Dagupan around after 10. I think would have been here earlier though, but our driver decided to take a sleep break. This my eye have been itching me and I've been itching it. Look at. But anyways, our driver decided to take a sleep break, so that was why we wasted time. If not, Dagupan to Manila is not 5 hours. Yep. Yeah, so I'm in my unit now, so maybe tomorrow I'm going to do like a room tour or apartment tour, because this is going to be my apartment for the next few weeks, or let me say few days. But anyways, few weeks. Yeah, so no, the place is not that bad though, but it's manageable. There's nothing I can do. But anyways, I just want to sleep. I'll just take my bath and sleep, then tomorrow I'll unpack. Okay, no, I'll have to unpack my food and put in the fridge. I don't want to hear that after all this stress my food have spoiled. I'm even afraid because of the time we wasted on the way. So I'm just going to arrange my food in the fridge and take my bath and sleep. Then tomorrow I will unpack and show you guys my new apartment for the next few days. Bye.